In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to discover and find servers on Discord. So as you can see, I have the mobile app opened here. If I tap the addition symbol on the sidebar to join a server or create one, I can go to join a server, but it just gives me the ability to join with an invite link already. The best way to do this is open up a new browser tab and go to Google and search for Discord Discovery, as you see right here. And then you go to the Discord servers home, which is the Discord page here. It'll take you to discover your next favorite server. It will give you a drop down of categories, everything from gaming, entertainment, education. Tap into a category to kind of hone in. And then as you can see, there are a number of servers that you can go and just tap into them and join them directly from this Discover tab. If you know there is a community out there that you want to join, go to the search communities right here, type in the name of the server, hit search, and you should find it very easily. There is a feature coming out that's called the Discord Discover tab. It's not showing up for everyone and it has not been released to everyone worldwide, but eventually there will be something on the sidebar that looks like a browser tab icon that allows you to tap into it and go to the Discover tab directly from the app. But as of right now, just go to the website and you are good to go. Have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.